Welcome everyone. Yaakov Healing Art OAT. And we have something that has it been done this way? I don't think so. So we have a Caribbean, that's, yes, a bell pepper, spinach, water, Seltzer, fresh lemon, turmeric, vitamin C, bee pollen, and we mix it all together with some fresh spinach. Now, we make sure that it's nice and chilled. This is good if you're having, and we're not your doctors, but anxiety, you had a stressful day, you had some, this is going to take everything, refresh your whole body, detox your liver a little bit, and really bring back in your internal healing. Get ready for our little quick videos on how to enhance yourself. Remember, check with your doctor or something else like that. We're not your doctors, but you can add this in, and then we have many other products that you can add in that will help you.
Remember guys, everything in this is edible. So you have the spinach, you can eat that as you drink, the pepper, and then all the spices with the lemons and the cinnamon stick here for very refreshing beverage. In substitute of different types of drinks that are store-bought, you can make your own beautiful creations and feel refreshed as you sip it throughout the day. We love you. Take care. For more information, tips and tricks on how to make your life happy, healthy, and wealthy by Surya Sol Sun.